Papa! Wanna see real magic? Wow! Wow! He is amazing! Follow me for a special show! Where did everyone go? Mama! Papa! A magician took my friends!
We will save your friends, Snowy!
Get ready! This way, hurry!
Do as I say, or stay trapped.
We have to stop him!
I will distract the magician. Luna, free the kids. Snowy, cut the ropes.
Ladies and gentlemen, the best magic show.
Your show is over, magician.
Thank you, Auntie Luna. No more tricks!
He is a fraud.
You are under arrest!
You saved our children.
One day, I will be a real hero like you.
True magic is not tricks, but courage and kindness.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog.